Hello there, welcome to Dimpified Guide, and today I'll be taking you on how to properly edit your services on your website as a merchant. Let's get started. You want to begin by logging into your dashboard. Click on the Edit Service feature on the menu list. If you're on mobile, click on the three lines on the top right corner of your phone to access this feature. Here, you can edit a service name and add additional information for your client, like brief description about the service, an image of the service pricing, the currency you accept for the service, the locations that are exclusive to the service, and delivery time of the service. And here you can go ahead and save or discard your changes. Here you can update new services that have been added to your portfolio, and all you have to do is fill out the necessary information listed, such as the name, description, the price, and delivery time of the service. I hope this video was well detailed for you and that you found it helpful. See you next time.